Hello, I'm Ray Wayne. I am one of our International Master Faculty Trainers. That is the highest level training certification they have at Keller Williams University. I'm here to talk about my personal class, Build a Rockstar Team. This is either a full day class or 2 half days. It's part 1 and part 2. Part 1, usually the morning session, is foundational. It's great for all agents at all levels. It's about, are we being the best agent we can be? It's about leadership. It's about our foundation, commitment. What does it take to be the very best agent we can be in this business? And what does it take to be the kind of agent that people are going to want to follow and join? We'll also talk in the morning session about making your very first hire, maybe a part-time person, a runner, a gopher, someone to give you a little more time back in your day. And we'll talk about some ways you can streamline your business even if you never hire anyone. Let's be as efficient as we can and get the most out of each day. Part 2, the afternoon session, is much deeper. I call it the advanced session. We're going to talk about actually hiring salespeople, commission splits, bonuses, incentives, managing them, expectations, accountability, motivating our people. We will also even talk about an exit strategy in this business. I sold my team back in 2015 for a big 6-figure check and many years of overrides. That's called 7th level and beyond. I will go wherever the group wants me to go in the afternoon advanced session. Biggest thing we talk about is value proposition. What's your value proposition as a team, as a leader of a team? Why would someone want to join you and never leave? So it's a great class. I can customize it depending on your agents or if you're looking for a mastermind session or whatever. Build a Rockstar Team. I hope I hear from you.